As Bitcoin tests $30,000 right now, Ethereum has reached structural resistance right about here at $1,941. Will whales pull through and push the price even farther up, or are we going to see a bearish takeover for the move down? Let's find out. Before we get started, I want to let you know we have a brand new crypto forecast video out, members only content here. We're going to be talking about why waiting for Bitcoin to drop to 26,000 might be the worst trading decision you can make right now. We'll also talk about where the bull run peak in 2025 will most likely be, which is probably a lot lower than you might think. You're going to want to watch this. It's going to be really important information. So if you want to see it, grab a membership down in the links below. More on that later, but for now, let's get into the analysis. Here we are on the TradeConfident.io website. I just wanted to thank you so much for tuning in for today's video. We're going to scroll down to Ethereum. And the first metric we're going to take a look at is the Ethereum Emotional Index. Now, 3 or 4 days ago, we pushed into greedy territory, and this resulted in a move down. This is very typical. However, as soon as we pushed into neutral, we bounced back upwards and are currently in excited territory as the price tests $19,000. Most often when we see readings of excited or greedy, this is where we're going to typically see moves back down in the market. Next up is the Ethereum Volatility Breakout Detector. Now, we are still in low volatility on Ethereum. I think we are going to see a break either upwards or downwards soon, and this is because we're seeing low volatility. Whenever we see low volatility readings on this metric, this is when we're seeing really impulsive moves here. I mean, check these out. Crazy volatility in the market after we read low volatility, and we've actually been in low volatility for some time. So a crazy move would not be unexpected. Next up is the whale smart money metric, and we are pretty low on this metric. Most often when we see a reading of -800, this is where whale traders are going to come in and take over with their short trade sentiment. Of course, short trade sentiment is betting on the price moving down, and if enough short trades come into the market, that is exactly what's going to happen. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance level. As of right now, we actually do not have a recorded resistance on this chart besides this local top right about here, which is exactly what we tested today. However, as far as supports go, we do have decent structure support around the $1,714 and $1,742 range. Scrolling down to the Ethereum long versus short trades, these are perfectly even still, with long trades still above short trades, telling me that overall long trades are going to take over, and this could be a bull run. Moving on to the Ethereum daily trade scanner here, we have not seen a sell signal, but I would not be shocked to see one post within the next couple of candles here. There seems to be a pretty consistent pattern here, and it seems like, at least in my mind, we're just about at the next top in anticipation of a possible move down. If we do see that sell signal, that's where I am expecting at least somewhat, even if it's just a little bit of a move down as we saw with this sell signal. I would be expecting moves down from here, possibly to structure support again around the, let me scroll back up, $1,714 or $1,742 range. Now, you're really going to want to see this future forecast video. It's going to be really, really important. And if you want to get access to this, you can click the links down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, hit show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. Now, if you want to get access to members only content with the future forecast, you're going to want to grab the full access membership for $59 a month. This will include access to metrics across all 20 coins on our website, super useful for day-to-day trading, and many more features. Just click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's check out the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. Again, structural resistance right here at $1,941 at the local top recently. As of right now, the price versus while money flow is high, reaching a metric value of 71. Most often when we reach 70, this is when we consider the coin overbought, and at this point, whales are likely to begin moving money out of the market. At the same time, the trend exhaustion actually bottomed out and has begun moving back up, just barely in the inner top red section. I wouldn't be surprised if we continue testing a little bit higher right here, retesting 1,941 for this trend exhaustion to actually get really high up. If we get a high on the trend exhaustion with a high on the price versus while money flow, and if we do manage to get that sell signal right about here, this is where we're expecting moves down in Ethereum. Now, if we head over to the 4-hour time frame, we'll see that in addition to the price versus while money flow high and trend exhaustion high, we actually got a strong sell signal, and that was the exact top. That was a perfect call, and since then the price has been dropping. So if we get that bearish signal, these three combine to be one of the most bearish signals you can get in crypto. If we get it on the 4-hour time frame and the 1-day time frame, this is a huge indication of a likely move down in the market. Now, I'm going to get into final price predictions soon. However, I got to let you know you can get access to these 3 indicators, actually 11 total several indicators for $400 off right now. Let me show you how. Again, you're going to want to check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and in order to get the best possible deal with that $400 off, you're going to want to buy the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion and price versus whale money flow indicators, as well as 7 other ones for you to use. On top of that, it'll include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confident's indicators is actually cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone, so this will be the best possible deal. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Thanks for watching that quick little ad. Let's get into the final price predictions. As the price moves down here, there will be structure support pretty quickly here. The very bottom of this candle, the local bottom, is at $1,820. However, if the price breaks below that and it keeps moving farther and farther down, that $1,714 structure support will be the next move. That's what I'm predicting over the next couple of weeks. Say this time next week, it would be April 18th. Within that time frame is where I'm expecting to move down. Maybe within the next couple of days, by Friday, we could hit 1,820. And after that, all the way down to 1,714 could be the next move. Again, April 18th. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.